This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha in Arise crossover. Start by learning spawn zones and timers immediately, then focus on gear, team roles, and efficient search patterns. Use quiet movement to avoid disturbing other spawns, and mark checked locations so you don't repeat searches. Track server restarts and community hints to capitalize on respawn windows, and prioritize quick extraction when you secure an alpha. In this video, I will explain how to get alpha in Arise crossover. Make sure your loadout matches the encounter. Heavy hitters, mobility tools, and healing keep fights manageable. Prioritize scoped or area weapons depending on alpha behavior and environment. Practice quick revives and escape paths with your group, and refine roles so one player scouts, one controls crowd, and others focus damage to speed up kills and secure loot. In this video, I will explain how to get alpha in Arise crossover. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long grind sessions with the Oala water bottle, which seals tightly and fits in most packs and cup holders. It saved me from quitting early on long hunts. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get alpha in Arise crossover. Begin by scouting spawn points quietly and note any patterns, then clear nearby enemies to avoid interference. Time your search around server cycles and prioritize stealthy approaches to increase spawn chances. When you find an alpha, coordinate burst damage and crowd control, then extract immediately with the loot to avoid losing the reward to latecomers or server resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.